4, 5, 6. And this control unit list, it doesn't look like the parking assist control modules listed here. Just because the scanner. So I try to locate the park assist controller. Here. On the right hand side. It's in the back here, as you can see. Right, I eventually have found parking assisted module. So we're on the right hand side boot area, tail, yeah. So the module is located here. Of course, you remove this trim, this big trim here, yeah. The module's down here. There you go. Now, what we're seeing now, the brown wire on this plug is a fuse, batch ignition fuse from the fuse. The one behind it, the black wire, and the two black wires on this side is to the ground. We check out the power grounds are good. And we even reverse signal from the PCM to the plug or to the module. Oh, no, I think probably to the plug. We call this way. Seems good. Yeah. So we could tell. I open the module, open up the module, and then see any burnt water intrusion on the circuit board. No, no, since all dry and clean. And I have again ignition on. I got 7.8 volts to be exact. I'm not 100% what the voltage is supposed to be look like. Yeah. So now I got around 0.6 mega ohms. Yeah, I habituated all the sensors from this point, from the plug here, so it all got about same readings.